Hello guys! You need to level your field or gravel before bricklaying? You can use a grader or box blade. I have here 2.1 meter wide Bobcat Box Blade HD together with the Bobcat T76 track loader. Let's have a look at the attachment itself. In the front, there are the blades from both sides, which allows me to work in both directions. There are also the side wings to keep the material inside the blades. As you can see, the wheels are located between the blade and the machine. This allows me to work in the tight areas and in the corners. They are controlled hydraulically and they can be operated manually from the cabin or by laser or 3D system. All the attachment is connected to the machine via standard bob touch, and as you can see, there are two adjustment bolts. They should be touching the boom and keeping the attachment in the fixed position. Let's jump in the cabin and I will show you how to use it. So start the engine. Press to operate. Activate the auxiliary, standard flow only, and then to control the right side of the blade, you use the set of the buttons on the right joystick, up and down. To control the left side of the blade, you use the set of the buttons on the left joystick, up or down. To activate the automatic mode, you press the trigger button on the right joystick. And then you can go backward or forward. So guys, the field was perfectly leveled in few moments. I like this attachment because I can push a lot of material when I drive forward, and I can do precision leveling when I driving backwards without leaving the wheel marks in the gravel. Thank you for watching, leave me the comment and see you next time!